What is force of friction? The force that brings the change in the state of motion of objects is called the force of friction. Otherwise, the force of friction is responsible for change in the state of motion of an object. The friction always works in the opposite direction to the direction of a moving object. Friction is the force that opposes motion between two surfaces touching each other. If we apply a force along the left, then the force of friction will act towards right. If we apply a force towards the right, then the force of friction will act towards the left. Friction occurs whenever two surfaces rub against each other. Friction is the force exerted by a surface where an object moves around it. What are the factors that affect the friction? Let me give you 3 situations, then you tell me what it depends on. Look at the 3 figures. In which situation do you think will the force of friction will be the highest? In the first case, a smooth ball moves on a smooth surface. In the second case, a smooth ball moves on a rough surface. In the third case, a rough ball moves on a rough surface. Comparing the first 2 cases, in the third case, the force of friction will be higher. Hence, the friction depends on the nature of the surface on which the object moves and the nature of the surface of the object. The friction will be less in the smooth surfaces and it will be more in the rough surfaces. Friction allows us to control motion. Without friction, we would not be able to walk, sit in a chair or drive safely. Everything would keep sliding and falling over. We need friction between our feet and the ground or we would not be able to stand up. A running car or bicycle uses friction to stop. As the driver steps on the brakes, the vehicle slows down to a full stop. This is possible because of the friction between the brakes and the wheels. These are the uses of friction.